Unlocking the joy, the sound of celebration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an evocative phrase that resonates with joy and festivity. Sound of celebration. Join us as we unfold the layers of this expression, understanding its meaning, usage, and the joyous vibes it conveys in English-speaking cultures. Sound of celebration refers to any noise, music, or sound that is associated with festivities, joyous occasions, and celebrations. These sounds are universally recognized as symbols of happiness, success, or achievement. They can vary widely across different cultures and contexts but often include music, laughter, clapping, cheering, and sometimes fireworks. The key element is that these sounds evoke a sense of communal joy and are instantly identifiable as markers of a celebratory moment. Sound plays a pivotal role in celebrations by creating an atmosphere of joy, unity, and excitement. It signals the start of a joyous occasion and helps participants feel more connected to each other. Whether it's the happy birthday song at a birthday party, the countdown and cheers on New Year's Eve, or the jubilant noise at a wedding reception, the sound of celebration is integral to the experience. It's not just about the noise but the emotions and memories that these sounds evoke in people's hearts. Music and dancing. From upbeat dance tracks to traditional music, melodies are a universal component of celebration. Fireworks. Often used to mark significant public holidays and festivities, the booming and sparkling of fireworks is a quintessential sound of celebration. Cheers and applause. Expressions of joy and approval, cheers and applause are spontaneous sounds of celebration in group settings. Bells and chimes. In some cultures, bells and chimes ringing are traditional sounds marking a celebration or a significant moment. Understanding and using the phrase, sound of celebration, can enrich your English vocabulary and help you connect more deeply with English-speaking cultures. It's a poetic way to describe the auditory joy of festive occasions and can be used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. For example, when she heard she'd passed her exams, the sound of celebration filled her home. Or, the team's victory was met with a sound of celebration that echoed through the streets. Thank you for joining us as we explored the joyful sound of celebration. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also brought a bit of that celebratory spirit into your day. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the experiences and emotions they convey. Until next time, keep celebrating the small victories in your journey of learning English. Cheers to your success!